Imagine transforming a simple text prompt into a stunning image or giving an existing photo a creative twist, all in just a few clicks. Welcome to Tengr.ai, where crafting breathtaking visuals from text and images isn't just easy, it's magical. Ready to turn your words into visual masterpieces? Click on New Easy Mode to get started. Enter your text prompt, choose a style that matches your vision, select the creativity level, fine-tune the details, and pick the aspect ratio for your final image. Once you're set, hit Generate and watch Tengr.ai work its magic, bringing your idea to life in seconds. You'll have a gallery of images to choose from. But that's not all. Already have an image that needs a touch of AI magic? Tengr.ai has you covered. Select Image to Easy Mode and upload your image. Choose your processing mode and select the input image influence. Add a text prompt to guide the transformation. Pick your style, set the creativity level, tweak the details, and click Generate. In no time, Tengr.ai will deliver a stunning new version of your image. Ready for preview. Love the result? Click Download, and it's yours to use. Whether you are a designer, an artist, or someone who loves to experiment with creativity, Tengr.ai offers endless possibilities. With Tengr.ai, turning your ideas into visual art is not just easy, it's magical. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.